Okay, let's do a teardown of an old but good quality wheelchair, the Permobil C500. Why am I doing this instead of building a flying saucer? Well, I'm in a wheelchair and care budget crisis. The wheelchair that I need is not on the market. If I cannot sit, I cannot do anything. Thus, I first have to build a very different and better wheelchair. Yeah, electric wheelchairs can look very impressive. And much of the technology is amazing. But when you have to live in it, you will soon discover all the parts that aren't good enough. Once you get to know the system of this wheelchair and have the right tools, it becomes like Lego. Just don't do anything creative. This video is for those who need to repair an old C500 and for those who are interested in wheelchair technology. But I'm not going to explain how everything works, complain about all that can be done better, nor suggest solutions. I will be showing two generations of C500 wheelchairs here. This one is different from the one you just saw. Did you notice? The drive units are very similar, but the body supports are quite different. This one has the newer body support. It's much better than the old one. Very impressive mechanics. But is it good? I think not. Let me give just one example of bad design, in my opinion. The support of the lower legs. And it's not just Permobil. I have never seen it done right by any company. Not safe, not practical, not comfortable. Clearly not designed by people who need it every day as like a part of their body. I mean, look at what's happening to the body when bringing the leg support up and down. It makes me so angry. How can such a bad design be chosen? Yes, I know, this one is missing the pads behind the lower legs. And there are wheelchairs with automatic length correction. But if you make a good design, you don't need an automatic length correction. Wait, the best is still to come. Do I need to say more? Okay, that's enough complaining for today. Let's look at the goodies. I love taking things apart, and there's a lot to see here. This is the old body support. Check it out, how stuff moves. Okay, I don't know how much time you have. I will speed up most of these clips times 2. Ah, at times 2 it's still slow. And this is the new body support. The same moves as the old one just now, but look at the mechanical parts. They are made a lot smarter. I am impressed. I once went to the ESA space exhibition. A child thought I was part of the show and asked, "What are you sitting in?" I told him, "A moon car." Now he knows. Next is the C500 with the old body support, taken apart almost completely. It's a lot of parts, heavy parts. Here are all the electronics and the old-fashioned heavy lead batteries. This stuff is kind of small, so next a close-up of all the electronic parts. These are the last parts. Very heavy parts again. And with that, this teardown is done.